Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about earthing. And, and this one is about earthing and your genes. So additionally, there is the likelihood that the influx of electrons in the body has an effect at the genetic level. DNA, we are taught, represents the entire blueprint for the human body. Traditional genetics goes far in explaining how unique biological traits are inherited. Until about 10 years ago, it was thought that the way we live shouldn't directly affect the genetic traits passed to our children. However, so-called epigenetic controls have been discovered recently that influence whether and when a certain gene or set of genes are turned on and turned off when a person's environment changes. The term means over and above the genes. Such influences do not alter the primary DNA, but operate at the level of the chromatin, the protein of the nucleus, the one that surrounds the genes. Researchers have identified a number of immediate early genes, IEGs, that respond within seconds to hours when something changes in one's environment. Evidence exists, in fact, that IEGs are so sensitive that words or thoughts can trigger adaptive changes in genomic expression. These genes regulate other genes, including those that operate the immune system. So how you see and interpret the world around you selects which genes are going to be activated and modifies their readout to make proteins that best fit your environmental circumstances. Remarkably, some of these epigenetic patterns can be passed from parents to children. The idea of epigenetic inheritance has led to a general reevaluation and intense study of how inheritance works. For people searching for natural cures, earthing is a dream come true. And now that the emerging field of epigenetics implies a bonus effect. The remarkable self-healing mechanisms that seem to be activated by earthing can affect not only ourselves, but are likely to also be passed on to our children and their children. Earthing may well have an even greater impact than we have thought, by creating a beneficial ripple effect in the evolutionary process. So there you have it. So practice earthing. So this is another video for SalesVision 100 video challenge. So I invite you that if you have any products to sell, if you need customers, you can generate leads online and customers online, and you can access this digital marketing software from SalesVision just for that, to generate leads online for any type of business. So you will find the link in the description below. And thank you for watching. Bye.